Factory reset. Back on mission. Lost focus. Wait a minute, there's more. I've even got a competition. I'm back and I've got a competition for you. Now, just wait a minute, okay? At the end of this video, I'm going to ask a question and there are a bunch of prizes, okay? I'll explain what the prizes are and I'll tell you the question, but let me just tell you what this video is about. It's about getting back on the mission, refocusing, yeah? Factory reset. Now, I haven't posted any videos for about 10 days because I realized that I was making videos more for entertainment, views and subscribers and less about the reason why I started this channel in the first place. I started this channel, Teachers Talk TEFL, I'm Gary by the way, if you don't know already, to help new, aspiring and experienced English teachers. I've been in Thailand, living, teaching, recruiting and training English teachers for nearly 23 years. And for Cambodia, by the way. Oh, and for online too. So, I have to confess, I have been making videos, cultural videos, funny videos, with a view on drawing views and drawing more subscribers. That, I've realised, is a mistake. This is not an apology video or a pity party. It's just to let anyone know who's interested that every video I post about teaching is going to have some value. Look, I've made about 600 videos and there are some really good videos in there. I know that because people have told me. And there's a lot of values in the video, but recently, I have to confess, I have been focusing more on views. Views are vanity, right? Subscribers. And I really lost touch with it. So it's really good to refocus. And if you are losing sight of your goals, maybe you want to be a teacher and you're getting drawn back into the old ways of thinking, oh, I can't do it, I've got too much going on here. Well, it's okay, we all do it. We all lose focus sometimes, right? This is helping. So just get back on the mission. Keep a positive mindset because that's what I'm doing. So that's what this video is about and that's the message today. Refocus, back on the mission, and here's the question. Okay, in one word or more, up to you, I want you to tell me what makes the difference between a good teacher and a great teacher. Now, I'm going to be offering a bunch of prizes. You can comment below with your answer, or if you prefer not to be public, you can email me. All of my contact details are below. So, the question again, what's the difference and what makes a good teacher a great teacher? Yeah? Have a think about that, because even if you're not an experienced teacher, I'd be fascinated to hear your opinion on the difference between a good teacher and a great teacher. So one word or more, okay? Hopefully more, but I know you're busy. The prizes. I will be contacting the winners directly, either in the messages or by email. The prizes are going to be free hours with me, because I'm a TEFL coach, right? So there will be some free hours where I can directly affect and help someone out there who's a bit nervous about coming forward, booking a session. And by the way, check the link below. I've got a promotion, just $30 an hour to figure out a strategy for you. I'll also help you with your resume and your introduction video. That's outside of the hour. It's a good promotion. But if you answer the question I've just given you, what makes a good teacher great, in one word or more, you might be the winner. There's also going to be some prizes like my entire PowerPoint bundle, 22 PowerPoint lessons that I built myself over many years. I'll be handing those out. My ebook, the lesson flow, all of it's in my shop, my PayHip shop, yeah? You can check it out. All the links are here. Okay, so please answer the question in one word or more. What makes a good teacher a great teacher? What's the difference? I'm fascinated to hear your comments, your answers, and maybe you'll win a nice prize too. Thank you for listening. Kop kun ma krap if you're still here. I'm back, and now I'm going to be trying to bring value to every video. There will be cultural videos. There's going to be funny videos, of course, but when it comes to teaching, I'm going to think very carefully about every video I make and try and bring some kind of message, information, solution to you, my beautiful subscribers. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm back.